Let's practice reading words with the word team I-L-L. Together, these letters say ill. Add B and it says b-ill, b-ill, bill, bill. Add F and it says ill, fill, fill. Add H and it says ill, 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 hill. Add M and it says ill, ill, mill. Add P and it says ill, ill, pill. Add W and it says ill, will, will. Add CH and it says ill, chill. Add DR and it says ill, drill. Add GR and it says grill, grill. Add SP and it says spill, spill. Add THR and it says thrill, thrill. Let's read some sentences. The grill will get filled, but don't spill or you will get a bill. The hill by the mill will give you a thrill. Thank you for reading with me. Follow the links for more practice. Please like and subscribe.